A pair of Audis on the front row, 11 straight pole positions for Audi in this championship, and the green flag is in the air. Richards, a good start up the middle in the M6 BMW. Vanderlinde has the inside line, the hot shot South African, reigning Nürburgring 24-hour champion Tony Bates slugs the wall hard once, twice, and the AMG bonnet is up. Great job from everyone to miss him, including Scott Taylor, who jumped on the anchors. And we talked about it in practice yesterday. Outside of turn 1 is very slippery with those marbles. Oh, and there's more action as Lagos, third in the points, runs up the back of another Mercedes. It's an ugly start. We hope Tony Bates is okay, because that is a fast part of the racetrack to go diving into the walls. Max Twigg now carrying damage. Oh, Crispy, what a start.
Unbelievable, mate. I couldn't keep up with that for a minute, but I think potentially Tony Bates just hung out a little bit there through turn 1 into the marbles, off the racing line. And obviously, after just that one warm-up lap, the tyres have still been pretty cold, low grip scenario, and unfortunately, it looked like he might have been caught out there. Turn
1's typically quite a simple corner to navigate at race pace. But when you're on the outside and the marbles, cold tyres, you add in all of these factors, it can be a different scenario completely.
Exactly. I didn't quite see the initiation of that. I don't know if he got a helping hand, but it's not looking good down there at the moment. Hopefully Tony's okay.
Well, he has radioed back to the team, which is good news, and letting them know that he's okay. But Crispy, what is it like when you have a big hit like that? What's the usual protocol? What do you like to do as a driver if you've been in a moment like that? Take your time?
Don't like to think about it, to be honest. You know, it happens. It's the nature of the sport. But yeah, obviously you come to a stop there and make sure you're all feeling okay as soon as you can. Radio back to the guys and let them know that you're fine. And then you know, it sinks in, and it's heartbreaking to be out of the race and see the damage on your car like that.
Okay, so he's on the right side of the screen, 4 rows back. You can see the number 24. That is the Mercedes we're looking for. Now, Richo went up the inside pretty early and got that 3 wide action going. So Bates is pretty much committed to the outside. And we have his onboard camera to watch as well. So this should be pretty frantic stuff at the beginning.
Yeah, unfortunately, it looked like it just got held or balked slightly off the line there, which gave Richo the jump and hung him wide on the run to turn 1.
Oh.
Yeah, unfortunately, not Tony's fault. Seemed like the cars to his right did move slightly across and just caught him out there hanging on the outside.
Wow, that was a big hit. So Richo, who was side by side with Tony Walls, Stephen Richards that is, bit of a hip and shoulder, and the move at net entry takes 2 huge hits. What about the drive job from Scott Taylor in the STM 222 AMG? That car came hard across in front of him. Did a great job to see that. And then this happened at turn 4. So watch Roger Largo, black and red, Lamborghini. Twigg and Fraser Ross were at it. Wham.
I think, yeah, Max was just trying to get back in line there. I don't know if the safety car boards and flags have been flying at that point, but obviously just got caught out by Max pulling up there to try and get back into the queue.